In the last video, many of you have asked me that which system we should use to run our own blockchain node. So in the last video, we have seen that what we have developed, how we have deployed our entire blockchain where we can build different application, deploy different contract, launch different cryptocurrency. Now the question is that how you can make it public so user can access your blockchain and they can build application on top of it. So this is the one question I got heavily. So I thought let's make a dedicated video and let me show you the personal system which I use for my own blockchain, where you will have the ecosystem which you can use to perform the transaction. So here you will have these two options. First, you can buy your own hardware, set up in your room or somewhere else, connect with the internet, and you can simply make your system up and running for 24 hours so user can able to perform all the transaction. That's the one option you will have, and that's required significant amount of resources. You have to build your entire ecosystem, all the models which you need to run your node up and running. But on the other hand, if you are limited with budget, then you can definitely go with that. You can pick a $5, $10 based on your capability, and you can simply launch your node. Or I will provide you this particular link so you can click here. So when you would register for the very first time, they will give you $20 credit, which you can utilize that. But it's totally up to you. You can pick different system. The reason why I'd recommend DigitalOcean, because they have amazing compatibility. You can increase the size, you can increase the container model. That's all you can do it. And it's very easy. So what I have done, I have simply created a Docker environment where I have simply uploaded the code, and there all the node is happening and it's up and running. So it's really powerful. If you want, I can make a dedicated video that how you can own Ethereum blockchain, which we have developed in this particular video. So make sure to watch this till the end, in which you will understand that how we have running our entire node and performing transaction and building different applications. So this one is really powerful. I would suggest you that if you're planning to launch any project, whether it's Web2, Web3, or if you have a decentralized application where you are launching your ERC20 token sale, NFT marketplace like staking DApp, then check for this one. They have the best package, like your application would be live in just $4 or $5, and they will give you full customization, full control over your container, which you can design that what model you want to use it, and you can easily able to simply upload your code and perform all the transaction, all the verification of the domain. That's all you can do it. So they have the amazing system. I would suggest you to come back here and have a look. That will give you a better idea. So this is generally what I use for my project and whatever project I build for my clients. So this is how you can see all the requests I'm getting, where user can making the calls and interacting with our, making the forced call, deploying the contract. So I hope you have got your idea that what you can use. If you want me to make a dedicated video where I can show you that how you have deployed to this particular platform, just let me know in the comment section. If I get 4 to 5 comments, then definitely I'll try to make a dedicated video on that where you can simply watch it. So that's the quick update I want to give you, and I would suggest you to go with this one. It's free to start with, where you don't need to pay any amount. So the only thing I want to cover in this video. If you have any question, any doubt, do let me in the comment section. I'll definitely try to help in that. Have a wonderful day. Bye.